To Next Generation Computing, where we explore the future of technology. Today, we're diving into the world of quantum computers. These machines promise to revolutionize fields like biotechnology, AI, cryptography, and more. Quantum computers use qubits that can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Qubits can also be entangled, allowing quantum computers to perform parallel computations. Quantum computers could solve complex problems that are too time-consuming for classical computers. They could revolutionize fields like drug discovery, materials science, and logistics. However, quantum computers also come with challenges and risks. One of the biggest challenges is to build and maintain a large-scale quantum computer. Another challenge is to develop algorithms and software that can run efficiently on quantum hardware. Quantum computers could potentially break encryption schemes, posing a threat to our online security. To counter this, researchers are working on developing quantum-safe cryptography. Quantum computing is a promising field with many opportunities and challenges for the future. We need to prepare for the benefits and risks of quantum computing together. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of next-generation computing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.